macOS Tahoe 26.4 update has just been released. It includes new smart features, bug fixes, and security improvements. There is also a new powerful diagnostics and repair assistant in macOS Tahoe that you may not be aware of. I will also walk you through the update process and let you know if I face any issues along the way. What's new in macOS 26.4 update? The latest update introduces a new battery charge limit that lets you stop charging at 80%. This feature extends the lifespan of your MacBook Pro or MacBook Air battery and eliminates the need for a third-party app with a monthly subscription fee. However, if needed, you can increase it to 100%. Safari Compact Tab. You can now switch between separate and compact layout tabs in Safari, offering a cleaner, uncluttered look. Another useful feature that you may not be aware of is the hidden Apple Diagnostics and Repair Assistant software included with macOS Tahoe. This troubleshooting feature allows you to check your Mac's hardware and software and fix issues. I have already made a separate tutorial for this feature. Please access the link in the description box below this video by clicking on More. Rosetta 2 Warning Notice. Whenever you launch an app relying on Rosetta 2, a pop-up will appear, informing you that support for Rosetta 2 will end by late 2027. If you see a Rosetta warning, you should update your app or look for an alternative. The macOS Tahoe 26.4 update adds 8 new emojis as shown in this image. Before updating or upgrading, back up your Mac or clone your internal drive to an external one to avoid potential data loss. To update, click System Settings in the dock, then select General and choose Software Update. macOS Tahoe 26.4 was released on March 24, 2026. It is about 12.29 GB on my MacBook Pro M4. I'll install it over version 26.4 beta. The update size may vary depending on your current macOS version. When you are ready to proceed, click Update Now. Click Agree. Then enter your admin password and click OK to complete the installation. The installation is in progress and will take some time. I'll pause the recording to save you time and resume once it's finished. I'll also inform you if any issues come up during the update process. The macOS Tahoe update installation is now complete. It took about 25 minutes on the MacBook Pro M4, but the time may vary depending on your Mac and internet connection. The Apple logo and a progress bar appeared 4 times during the installation, including 3 black screens. Should you upgrade or skip macOS Tahoe 26.4? If you are satisfied with your current macOS version, there is no strong reason to upgrade. macOS Tahoe has more glitches than Sequoia, which is still the more stable system. If you want to use the new features in Tahoe such as Enhanced Spotlight, Apple Diagnostics and Repair Assistant, Phone App, Apple Intelligence and Live Translation, Battery Charge Limit, built-in clipboard, improved privacy and security features, and you wouldn't mind occasional bugs, upgrading can be a good choice. If you decide to upgrade, watch this video for an easy way to start fresh with macOS Tahoe. Then install the free Lulu firewall to protect your data. Access the links in the description box below this video by clicking on More. If you're looking for free Mac apps to boost security and optimize your Mac's performance, access the link in the description box by clicking on More below this video. Open the link in your browser and find the list of all free app tutorials on the right. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please consider subscribing by clicking on my profile picture and sharing the video links with your friends. Your support will inspire me to create more videos for you. Thank you for watching.